This time, tinatawagan na po natin ang mga napulong bayan together with our principal administrator, Honorable Attorney Margaret Araba, and Ma'am Princess Angie our Chairman of the Para Festival Country University. At the same time, the head nominee for sa Gala Queen Parade, si Ma'am Princess. First, we will be awarding the certificate for our judges. Certificate for our judges. And a token from our municipality of Pila. Would like to call Ma'am Francel as well, please. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Laguna, Municipality of Pila. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to for your valuable service as a judge during the Sagada Queen Parade in the 10th anniversary of Para Festival. Your expertise, fairness, and professionalism contributed greatly to the success of the event. Given this 26th of April 2026 of Pila Laguna, signed Prison Officer Designate Attorney Jerome Anthony Carrillo, Municipal Administrator, Chairperson of the Para Festival, Ma'am Princess Angelia Salarga, and our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Attorney Madeline S. Salarga. Thank you so much kay Ma'am Glenda, our official tabulator. Kasama ang kanyang mga staff. Kanyang mga staff, look and listen. And chinecheck po and verify the results. Mga DTI representative here nandyan. And of course, I would like to greet Jopay. Thank you for nag-live. Nag-live ka ba? Thank you. Mamaya po, after the awarding, punta tayo sa gym, wala tayo ng All-Star Games. Punta tayo takbo. Again, our grand champion will receive 15,000, next 10,000, then 5,000. All the candidates will receive 1,000 pesos. We have also Dax. Online na natin si Daxon kaya. We would like to call the daughter of Marie. Nasaan yung daughter niya? Si Marie Daxon. Yeah. Miss Lorraine, bunahin na po natin na naman nag-verify sila. Miss Lorraine, pauna na yan po. Pabot na. Tsaka yung sash. Courtesy po ni Mo Marito for Queen. Ayun. DJ, i-announce ko na yung Photogenic Award. Okay. Our Sagada Photogenic Award. Surprise ito. Remember, or the decision is final. Don't po natin sa pagsasabi natin, you already signed the application of your candidacy or being a candidate. Okay, this is the revelation. Get ready! Our Sagada Queen Award makakatanggap ng 500 pesos and a photo frame plus official model ng Daxon. Yes! 2, 3, reveal! Sagada Queen Photogenic Award. Yes! Let's see that again. Wow! That's Iwa! Sagada Queen Photogenic Award. you, Marilasa, sa walang sawang support na our official media partner. Thank you. Salamat din sa photoshoot na biglaan sa photo naman. Wala pa kayo na si Marie. Hindi nyo ba yung picture sa kanya? Corporate na ba, Marie? Okay na ba? This certificate of appreciation is presented to Mr. Gerald Durante. Si Gerald po ay lalaban sa Mr. Gay World Philippines representing Laguna. Siya po ang ka-lookalike ni Derek Ramsey. You will receive a certificate and a token from the municipality of Lima. And a simple honorarium. Thank you. Okay, award na muna natin yung Avon products. Bibigyan natin sila ng tikitigis ng Avon from Avon Pinas. Thank you so much, Chico Baby Perez. Ayan. So may sobrang isa, ay host na yun. Nagpakapit sa akin yung isa dyan. Our next certificate is proudly presented to the one and only our double entertainer from Europe, Miss Andrea Toby. You will receive a certificate, token, and honorarium. Pasensyahan mo na, alam ko pa rin ito sa pamilya mo. Hawakan niyo po yung Avon. Hawak po yung Avon, mama. Ayan, ayan. Buko na po kayo sa stage para makita po. Next, the certificates proudly present to the one and only our chairman, the current crown is Gay Anila 2026, Vera Javier Capulong from Santa Cruz. Thank you for being part of our Sagay We Pray. Salamat, isang chat lang tayo ka na agad. Salamat. Alam kong busy na. Thank you. Sir, I would like to call now the chairman for the Sagayla. Can I have Ma'am Alvin to announce the winners?
So for our second placer, for the first Sagayla Queen Parade sa Pinagpayang Bayan ng Pila, with a total score of 92.33%. Bago po natin i-announce, sinatawagan po natin ang department head ng budget department. Sila po ang tabulators together with her staff, so Maglenda. So again, for the second placer to receive a cash worth 5,000 pesos with a total percent of 92.33%, none other than contestant number 14. Congratulations. Again, let's give a big round of applause with a total average score of 94.33%. None other than contestant number 8. Ready na po ba tayo? And the grand winner for the 10th Pala Festival is Sagila Queen with a total average of 97%. Contestant, kami akong gabi ay nanonood po tayo ng Governor Sales 9. Diretso na po sa Mayor's 9. Dadating po ang Vendetta, MYMP, Marqueras, and of course side 8. Yung mga rank out po, pwede po natin i-draw dito. Again, with the average total score of 97%, the first Sagila Queen, none other than contestant number 2. Horse to receive a cash prize worth 15,000 pesos. Contestant number 8 and number 13.
Congratulations to Alexa, Kyla, and Liwa, our first Sagila Queens Grand Winners.
If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing.